Another day, day 2 in Goa, and just when we decide that we have to go and have breakfast, it starts pouring.
Like shit.
Like shit, like literally. I didn't want to use that word for rains because I like rains, because this is not done. अभी हम लोग खाना खाने जाएंगे और ये बकवास,
पूरा बकवास.
Hey guys, we are in the second section of the property. So our property is there. If you see this building, and that's the lake in front of our room, because we selected a pool room, lake view room and not a pool view, because उघड्या लोकांना मला पूलमध्ये बघायची अजिबात हाऊस नाही आहे. And then this is the second property, and the guy told us that this property is a bit isolated and stuff. I can see for a fact that the construction is a bit old, or maybe it's not maintained well, but then he told us that it's a bit isolated, so it's better that we take a room in the first building there. So that's what we did actually. So today, because it's not raining, we decided to head out and at least explore the second part of this property. And if you see, it's direct lake access. The only problem is that after this step I can't see anything, so we are a bit scared.
And it might be slippery.
It might be slippery also because it's raining anyways. Agar सूखा होता, I would have sat here पैर में पानी डाल के, but I don't think that's the and that's a crocodile. There are that's a coconut actually. I don't know why there are so many coconuts in the water. कोई लोग फेंक रहे maybe, but yeah, this is the entire second. I think the first lake is bigger, no? I feel this one is bigger. I feel the first one is bigger. I don't know. But yeah, guys, a great view if you see, a really great view, and I think it's soon going to rain, so let's get the F out of here. Do it quickly, okay?
No, I'm just saying if there is any.
There are restaurant people there. Do it quickly.
I'm doing something like that.
Please do not. Oh wow. Please do not pluck flowers or fruits. Don't do that. He will see. He's coming. He's coming here. He's coming.
I did not pluck it. I'm just seeing whether.
He didn't see us, right?
You see us also?
I've never seen such a huge kadi patta tree. I thought they are like this tall.
Kadi patta is like this.
Really? Oh, don't disturb it. Oh wait, that's a bee. That's not a butterfly.
Maybe.
Oh my God. Ask him.
Anna, ये leaves है ना वो.
अन्ना.
कली. मैं खा लिया कुछ नहीं होगा ना. मैं खा लिया. कुछ नहीं होगा.
Can you guys guess what vegetable this is? This is actually bhindi, and I've never seen a bhindi plant. Oh, he didn't like the camera on him. But I'm just saying that I can jump this.
You can jump this.
Yeah.
And it's not that difficult, I think.
It is not difficult, of course, and we are tall people, so it's definitely not difficult for us.
It's not difficult.
We are tall, athletic, strong people.
Yes, we are.
We have lost the other earring also. So the plan was to go to the shack for 2 hours. From there we were supposed to go to the Karambucha, right? Karambucha backwaters for kayaking. But then we found a group from South India. They were fun people, and we ended up being in the same shack for like 6-7 hours. So yesterday's day was fun, and today they are leaving, so we are just going back to the same shack to just wave goodbyes to them, because we don't know when we'll be meeting them next. मेरा YouTube चैनल नहीं, अभी चैनल है पर वीडियोस नहीं है उस पे. नहीं, मैं आपको डालूंगी ना, ऐसे कैसे आप टैटू बना रहे हो, आपको कस्टमर मिलेगा ना फिर. और yesterday for 6-7 hours we were at Oceanic 22 shack on Kalangut.
And now
Yesterday, today also we came here. So all the staff, all the ladies selling ornaments and everything, they all are our friends now.
And yeah, family, friends.
They are family now. Now we are walking from Kalangut to Kalangut at the shopping.
Yeah, for the shopping mall.
For shopping malls, yeah, we are going to go and see if we can buy something, clothes or anything. I'm looking for typical kind of outfit. So let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah.
No. We'll do ulta.
We'll do ulta.
Hi guys, this is me Tejaswini. I meet my Russian friend Anushree. You know, she has been in India for 5 years. And
People think I'm Russian. Like I didn't get the accent right.
get the English accent.
Bloody get the English accent. Bloody. Yeah. I have to get the Indian accent right because I'm Russian.
Yeah, so you're mix of English. So yeah, she's a Russian which we have met for like 7 years.
Russian
and
pretending to be Indian.
yes,
But one lady selling ornaments, she found out that
yeah, she's a
found out my
Russian.
secret.
Yeah, and you know, we have been 5 years. You know, she has been in Mumbai for 5 years, but which she right now she has become a Mumbai girl.
Yes.
She knows
I'm a
Marathi.
Russian Mumbai.
Yeah,
I'm a Mumbai girl.
yeah.
She got to know, yaar, I'm a Russian. I'm
Exactly.
taking my Indian accent so well since all these years. A random
Exactly.
lady in Russia, in Goa, tells me that, ma'am, you're Russian. I mean, how the hell? She can't be spilling out secrets like this random, you know?
Exactly, she can. Yeah. This is it, our story. The Russian and Indian.
Russian and Indian in Goa. So today is our last day in Goa. So we left the hotel like half an hour back. प्लान तो टिबेटन मार्केट जाने का था, बट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मेरे प्लान्स काम ही नहीं करते, वर्क ही नहीं करते. अभी आई एम कयाकिंग हियर इन दिस बैक वाटर्स. मतलब समझ में नहीं आता है. आई थिंक प्लान्स मेरे पास आते हैं, मैं प्लान्स के पास नहीं जाती, बिकॉज जिस प्लान्स के पास मैं जाती हूँ वो प्लान्स मेरे पास नहीं आते, इफ दैट मेक्स सेंस. सो नाउ वी आर कयाकिंग एंड मेरे को ज़्यादा होशियार बनने का नहीं है, बट आई स्टिल वॉन्ट टू शो यू द सीनरी. मेरा आवाज़ भी बैठ गया है तो प्लीज़ कंट्रोल. That is the scenery. Teju, say hi. So she is doing all the work. ऐसा लग रहा है but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Once I keep my phone, मैं भी थोड़ा सा काम करूँगी. Panicking. I want to get wet because अभी यहाँ से ही हम लोगों को एयरपोर्ट जाने का है. But yeah, so we are having fun. दोस्तों, we are at the Tibetan market right now and this is my first time exploring the market. I didn't know it was so huge from the inside. दोस्तों, there is literally everything in this Tibetan market and not one shop is same. Like, of course there is a lot of similarities and here is Tejaswini, but yeah, it's worth visiting once at least. I'm still trying to find out. So I was looking for a pocket knife, but उनके पास पूरा रामपुरी. I don't want that. I want a pocket knife, but it's not there. But then I'm just looking like there are a lot of things. Half the things we get at Colaba Causeway, but yeah, this is actually variety. It's better than Colaba Causeway at least. Shopping done. I got like 5 bags for 700. बहुत महंगा दिया उसने, but it's okay. Now we are going. I don't know where we are going. We are searching for food. So guys, we have stopped for some photos, and the view is much better live. It's not on camera, trust me, but it's amazing. This view is amazing. So we are on our way to the airport, and I know we are not supposed to stop here, but the view is amazing. Sunset था अभी, वो चला गया, but the view is